Hello and welcome back to Data Copilot. I am incredibly excited to be launching a brand new certification tutorial series today. In this series, we'll be diving into the Microsoft Azure DP-900 Data Fundamentals certification. This course is designed as a foundational level certification. That means it's the perfect starting point if you're new to data concepts or the Azure platform. Whether you're a student, an IT professional looking to pivot into data, or simply curious about the world of cloud data, this series is designed for you. Throughout the journey, you'll also have access to helpful resources, including downloadable presentations to aid your learning. So make sure you look out for those links. Now let's explore what this course is all about. So what exactly will we cover? I have broken down the official Microsoft curriculum into a structured series of videos, likely around 15 in total. Together we'll walk through 4 major areas of focus. First, core data concepts. We'll begin with the absolute basics. What is data? How do we describe it? We'll look at relational, non-relational, and semi-structured data. You'll also learn about different data processing roles and services. This is the essential groundwork for everything else. Second, working with relational data on Azure. Here we focus on structured data. Think about data neatly organized in tables, rows, and columns, just like a spreadsheet. We'll explore Azure's services for this type of data, including Azure SQL database. Third, working with non-relational data on Azure. The modern world produces a massive amount of unstructured data, things like social media posts, images, videos, and sensor data from IoT devices. We learn how Azure manages this type of data with services like Cosmos DB and blob storage. Fourth, modern data warehouse and analytics on Azure. Finally, we'll zoom out to see the big picture. How can businesses analyze huge amounts of data to find insights? We'll explore concepts like data warehousing, analytics, and visualization using Azure's advanced services. By the end of this series, you'll have a strong understanding of the Azure data estate and the confidence to use its key services. Now let's talk about the exam itself. Knowing what to expect is half the battle, and Microsoft makes the format very clear. Here are the important details. You will have 60 minutes to complete the exam. Expect between 40 and 60 questions in total. The passing score is 700 out of 1000. And here is something very important to remember. There is no negative marking. That means if you answer incorrectly, you will not lose points. So never leave a question blank. Even if you're unsure, make an educated guess. You still have a chance to earn the points. This course is specifically designed to prepare you with the knowledge and the confidence you'll need to pass. So that's our roadmap for the DP-900 Azure Data Fundamentals certification. We'll move step by step, making sure each concept is clear before moving on to the next. If you're ready to begin your journey into the world of Azure data, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss any upcoming videos in this playlist. This is going to be an amazing learning experience, and I can't wait to get started with you. Thank you for watching.